Hello guys, George here from Hunter's Prestige. Welcome back to another video. It's a new week and the sun is shining. We've got this beautiful 110 Santorini Black P400X straight from the dealer, straight to our door. This customer's going for a stage 2 build. There's a lot already on this car. The customer's actually, lucky enough, got the larger screen on there already. It's also got smoke lights, 22-inch wheels and the upgraded brakes already. Okay, so now you've seen what the vehicle looks like before, let's get the vehicle inside and we'll show you what's going on in the car today. So there you go guys, the vehicle is now inside and what we've got on display here is our Hunter's build. So this is what we think should be on a vehicle. So this is our generic builds that we can do in a day. It will cost you just under £2,000 for the fitted price and supply. We've gone for a practical look as well as stylised, and also we're trying to bring it back to the original spec that Land Rover couldn't actually supply. So obviously the retrofit side, we've got the soft rear closed door, which we've now taken off their builds, as well as we've got a lock and fuel cap as well, which wasn't actually originally for the vehicles, but we think that they need this. So practicality wise, we've got side steps. Obviously we think every vehicle should be fitted with the side steps. Land Rover only did it in silver, so we've done the gloss black just to stylise the vehicle and just match what people want, which at the moment is just completely black out of the car. We've got a gloss black spoiler on there as well. Everybody loves these spoilers and it just changes the whole look of the car as soon as you put one on. Because this vehicle is a P400, it is compatible with our exhaust tips. So because you've got the twin exhausts at the back, you can put them in. Other models, unfortunately, we don't yet do exhaust tips for them. We have genuine mud flaps in stock. Now, Land Rover had these on back order for a long time. Loads of people struggled, but here at Hunters, we've got absolutely loads of stock. So if you're interested in them, get in contact with us guys and we can supply. Second to last is a rear checker plate, scratch plate. Just adds a little bit of practicality and protection for the rear of the tailgate when you're getting anything in and outside the boot. And again, on the practicality side, we have our rear reverse lights. Now these are available in either smoked or they're available in the red as well. So they just add so much more light when reversing at night, and they're really good and a hot seller. We're actually changing the design of these shortly, so there'll be 2 different styles that we're bringing out. One is going to be more of a flush light, which will be in the all white, just reverse light, and also we're going to do a sweep light as well. So we'll be the only company within the UK that supply these products. So if you like these guys, keep an eye out. Right, so let's get cracking on the car guys. And as we said before, all of these products can be fitted within a day. There are more products going on in the car, so once we've done that, we'll show you what the customer's added for his specific design build. Let's get started. So there you go guys, that's another build done. We're really happy with how this vehicle looks. We think it's very sleek and elegant, and we've just brought it back of how the customer wanted it when he ordered it from Land Rover. So we've done a lot of work to the car. So that, again, this is one of our Hunter's Stage 1 builds. We've added the side steps on there. It's got a spoiler. It's got genuine mud flaps fitted. We've also put a genuine wheel cover on there. It's got smoked reversing lights, obviously because it's an X model, it's got smoked lights on there, so they just complement it really nicely and they look OEM. And because this car is a P400, we've actually added our quad exhaust tips. They look really, really good, and of course the load space protection as well on there and the tailgate strip. We've done a lot of retrofits on the car, so we've actually done the soft close door for the customer, so I'll show you now. There we go. We've also installed the lock and fuel cap. So car's unlocked now, lock it, doesn't unlock at all, unlock the car, there we go. So we just brought it back to how the customer wants it and how it should have been from Land Rover. Obviously this build is what you get for £2,000 and it is all done in the day, so if you guys are interested, get in contact with us and we can do it and get you booked in. Now, we're going to hand the car back to the customer and we'll crack on with the next build. Okay, it's the next day. The customer's in the vehicle. He's absolutely loved all the products we've fitted on it, but he's going to use the car for a purpose. So he's going to take the car on an expedition. He's going to take it camping and also off-road. So lucky enough for him, we've got all the products in stock to be fitted on the vehicle. So we're going for a 110 Expedition roof rack. He's also having a black side ladder and a gear carrier on there as well. Not only that, he's opted in for the rear tailgate plumb table, which is a really, really handy tool, and also has an LED light on there so you can use it at night. Customer already had the ambient light fitted to the vehicle because it's standard on the X models, but we've actually fitted the extension kit just so it's a little bit more lighting in the rear. Take two. Okay, so there you go guys, this vehicle is now complete. We're really, really happy that the customer added all the Expedition products to this vehicle just to finish it off and make it a versatile vehicle and actually have a purpose, not just be a city driven car. It's going to take it out camping, it's going to use it out in the wild. So we're out in Loggers Land in Thetford Forest. It's absolutely amazing and I'm really, really happy with how this vehicle turned out. So additional to the parts we added already, we fitted the plumb rear table as well. It's not only just for show, it's a strong, rugged, useful product. Really, really helpful for when you're out camping. You can use it as a load space, and it also comes with a little LED light which goes straight into the cigarette lighter at the back of the car just to make it a little bit more useful. You can cook on it, store things on there, or even just put your drink on there while you're having a nice little sit down in the middle of nowhere. We've also added the Expedition roof rack as well as the black side ladder and the gear carrier. It finishes off the vehicle really, really nice, and again just adds purpose to the vehicle. It's not just a show car, it's actually going to get used for its intended purpose as a Defender. So we're going to give this car back to the customer. I think first we'll give it a little clean before we give it back, but stay tuned to all of our videos guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Loads of people are watching our videos at the moment that aren't actually subscribed, so make sure you subscribe to not only our YouTube, all of our Facebook and all the other socials to stay up to date with what we're doing at Hunters. We'll see you next time.